We will be teaching you how to use Microsoft Teams on your phone. Whether you use an Android or iOS device, you will be able to follow along since there are only a few differences in terms of user interface. Number 1. Downloading the app. If you're using an iPhone, simply go to the App Store. And if you're using an Android phone, you may go to Google Play Store and search for Microsoft Teams. If you click into it, you will see more information about the app and what it does. You can share files and create interactive video, audio, and text conversations. So just tap the install button and wait for it to finish installing. Number 2. Signing in. Once your download has finished, you will be able to see the Microsoft Teams icon with all your other applications. Launch the app by tapping on its icon. To set up your account, you will need to sign in using your PUP webmail. Number 3. Functions Tour. After signing in, you will now see the navigation panel at the bottom with 5 icons which hold specific functions. We will discuss each of them. Activity. Let's go with Activity Pivot first. Here, you can stay on top of what's important to you. This kind of serves as the notification tab on social media websites. You will be informed if someone replies to a conversation you are in, or if someone mentions you or calls your attention. Now, on the top right portion of your screen, you will see a filter icon. A filter is a great tool to organize your notifications because it classifies items depending on the category that you will choose, so that it will be easier to see specific activities. You may only see unread messages, mentions, replies, and so on. Teams. Now we will proceed to the core of the Microsoft Teams. The Teams Pivot. Teams are the overall group of people working on a project. They can range in size from a small product team to a larger organization. If someone adds you to a team, you will be able to see it here. Since we still have no teams, let's go ahead and create one. You will see an icon of people with plus on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Tap on that and you will see 3 options. You can create a team, browse existing teams, or join a team using a code. Creating a team. In creating a new team, you will be asked to provide a team name, an optional description, and you will need to choose whether the team will be private or public. It can also be discoverable on search results or not. Channels and conversations, productive chat, documents, and mentions. Teams are made up of channels, each covering a different topic. By default, there will be a general channel for posting general announcements and conversations. Under Posts view, you can post and directly reply to a message, keeping the discussion easy to follow. If you want to bring people's attention, mention them by typing @ followed by their name. You can also react to messages, send pictures, GIFs, voice clips, and files. If you want to check the shared files, just go to the Files view. It's easier to see the attachments here since it will only show the files that have been sent. On the third view, there's a More view where you can see other types of attachments such as OneNote or Excel file. Creating channels. Channels are open to everyone on the team, so anyone can drop in and see what everyone is talking about. Channels can be created to cover topics, departments, or projects. You can set up multiple channels if you want. It will be more organized to create a channel for specific purposes. To add another channel, click on the ellipsis beside the team name. You will be presented with options. Just choose Manage Channels, and you may now proceed with creating another channel. Clicking the ellipsis will also give you a choice to manage members to add additional people to the team. Customize tags so the team will be easier to find, leave, edit, and delete team. Team members. In adding a team member, kindly tap the search icon and put the webmail of the person you want to invite. There could be as many as 600 members per team. If you want to browse existing teams, there will be suggestions of several public teams that will show up. You may join public teams if you want, or you can search for a specific team. If you're going to join a team using a code, simply enter a code provided by an admin. Assignment. Now we will go ahead to the next pivot, the assignment pivot. This is also an essential part of the teams because here you will see the tasks given by the educator. If you click on an assignment, you will be presented with instructions and requirements by your professor. There is a cool function at the mid-bottom part under the points. It's called the Immersive Reader. If you tap it, it will read the whole instructions for you. To add attachments, just tap Add Work. You will be given options to select where to upload from. It could be from your local storage, cloud storage, or a link. Once you're done, you may now tap Turn In to submit your assignment. If you want to make corrections, you may undo your action by tapping on Undo Turn In. Creating a meeting. Within the calendar pivot, this is where you can see scheduled meetings and appointments. To create a meeting, simply tap the icon in the upper right corner. You will be asked to input a title, customize the participants. You may also share it to a specific channel, set an alarm, and add additional information about the appointment. After setting up, an event will be added to your timeline, which will activate depending on its schedule. Calls. If you are invited to a meeting, you can check your calendar and join the call. Before joining a call, you may choose whether to turn your camera, microphone, and speakers on and off. During a call, there will be an ellipsis beside mic and camera logos, which gives you options to start recording, turn on live captions, put yourself on hold, share the meeting, make a dial pad appear, and turn off incoming video. You will also notice two icons in the upper right corner. First, there is a chat icon. This is where you can talk to meeting participants through text chat. It also includes other interactive methods just like what we have mentioned at the channels and conversations. Beside chat icon is a people icon. Tapping on it will show you the meeting participants. You may add more people to the call and even create a breakout room. More. The number of pivots vary per device, and you have the control to customize the tools that you only want to see. you can adjust it over this function, the very last pivot at the bottom left part that says More. If you tap into it, it will show you a variety of pivot options that you may put on your home screen. You can add file, camera, organization, wiki, saved, and shifts, depending on how much you need them. Congratulations for completing the tutorial. We hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching!